Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can easily make Google Chrome faster with the new features in 2025. By following the few simple steps that I show you, now you'll be able to make Google Chrome faster with the new features in 2025 very easily. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't make any mistakes. By saying that, let's start the video. At first, let's open the Google Chrome and tap on the three dot icon which is located in the top right corner and open the settings, and here in the left hand side you'll see the option of about Chrome. Tap on that and make sure your Google Chrome is updated to the latest version. And now tap on the performance, and here in the section of memory, turn on the memory saver because it frees up the memory from inactive tabs and provides more computer resources to the other apps and active tabs, which will keep Google Chrome faster. So just turn on the memory saver. And here in the section of power, turn on the energy saver because it will conserve battery power by limiting background activity and visual effects. So, by enabling these new features of Google Chrome, it will make your Google Chrome run faster in 2025. So, my friend, that's it. If you find this video helpful, even 1%, consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another problem solving video like this. Thanks for watching.